Put on these faces day after day, trying to fit what they want me to say. Every morning I look in my head, wishing I could be different instead. The weight of their words pulls me down as I walk through this part of town. Paint myself in their colors and shake, tell myself that it's all I can take. But deep in my bones I can feel everything that I try isn't real. And my hands start to shake when I see I've tried to be anyone but me. The pressure keeps building inside, these walls that I built start to break, my voice getting harder to hide. Oh, as everything starts to shake. I've tried to be anyone but me, anyone but me, running from what I can't escape. I've tried to be anyone but me. Now I see, you tell me to just play my part, change my voice, change my face, change my mind, leave everything else far behind. But something inside could open up, the mask that I wear stuck inside wants to scream. This person's not who I should have been. Each morning I wake up fine, these changes are killing my mind, and my voice starts to break when I say I'm trying to be anyone, but the pressure keeps building inside, these walls that I built start to break, my voice getting harder to hide. Oh, as everything starts to shake. Maybe it's time that I face everything that I ran from before. All of these changes I chase lead me right back to my door. I've tried to be anyone but me, anyone but me, running from what I can't escape. I've tried to be anyone but me, but now I know I am. Gotta know who I am. Used to cross the street when I saw you coming, couldn't stand the way you carried yourself around. Thought I had you figured out completely, like I knew exactly what you were about. But I saw you break down yesterday outside the coffee shop where we both stay, away from everyone else, trying to hold yourself together with both hands. I finally understand, we're both just drowning in different seas, fighting waves that no one else can see. Never thought we'd end up here, you and me, both just drowning in different seas. Remember how we tear each other down in front of anyone to stick around. Now I see the cracks behind your shield, all the pain you never would reveal. And maybe I've been just the same, putting on a perfect face, keeping score of wins, covering battle scars within. But now I know the truth, I'm not so different from you. We're both just drowning in different seas, fighting waves that no one else can see. Never thought we'd end up here, you and me, both just drowning in different seas. What if we stop this fight, reach out and hold on tight? 'Cause when the water's rising high, we could help each other survive. We're both just drowning in different seas that no one else can see. Never thought we'd end up here, you and me. You just let me up here, you and me, both just drowning in different seas. Both just trying to stay alive, both just trying to survive. Every time you pull me close, I feel the pain inside. You say you'll change tomorrow, but the promises, they die. I've given all I have to give till nothing's left of me. The way you take and never stop is all that I can see. Oh, I can't keep burning for you, I can't keep burning for you. The flames are eating me alive, I can't keep burning for you. My friends all saw the warning signs, I closed my eyes so tight, convinced myself that love should hurt and everything's alright. But now I see what we've become, a fire right ahead. I'm tired of being fuel for you, I finally understand. Oh, I can't keep burning for you, I can't keep burning for you. The flames are eating me alive, I can't keep burning for you. La la la, I'm letting go. The ashes tell me what I know, I can't keep burning, I won't keep burning.